best way to cap off a week is with these handsome guys, Alan Uckman and Scott Chelady, who are ready to go toe-to-toe in Traders Unplugged. Good morning, guys. Round number one, big oil of the top 10 oil companies. Pick a play.
The sector's down 30%.
Yeah.
Dropped a long way.
Fantastic, Professor.
I'm not smart enough to pick the individual stocks, so to spread out that risk, look at XLE, the ETF that tracks the whole sector. Look for a bounce. A bounce here to the halfway point of this huge sell-off. Could be another 10% move to the upside. We saw bullish divergence this week, new lows and a higher close.
I can start using the beginning of what you just said. The sector's off 30%. I'm not smart enough to pick any one single stock, so I'm not going to pick any.
So you agree?
So I'm not going to pick any. Why do you want to get people involved in the middle of a meltdown in oil? Oil, the energy sector, if this was 2008, I'd have something to say.
But it's not 2008.
It's 2014, so stay away.
Round number two, market meat grinder. Ground beef prices are at an all-time high. How will this end?
I'm sure Alan knows this because he's done a lot of farm work. You can tell by his physique. But high prices will cure high prices. We can't reproduce cows as quickly as we can say hogs. Reproduce cows as we do hogs. They don't reproduce as quickly. So high prices will cure high prices. This will take care of itself.
Eventually.
Herds were at all-time record lows or 50-year lows last year or this year. So it's something that's just going to work its way through the system.
So the answer is time.
The time will cure, yeah, absolutely.
Just like when oil prices were too high, eventually they invented new innovations, new technology and so forth. The message of this was meat grinder.
Oils.
Meat grinder here. The market meat grinder is the last week or so we've had some craziness. Volatility has been at extreme levels. We had the VIX go up 100% in 5 days. So it has been a meat grinder.
What about beef?
But like you said, time will cure everything.
Yeah.
Time will cure the volatility in the markets. Time will cure beef. There we go. Full circle.
Round number three, cheers to Santa Claus and the Santa Claus rally. But will investors find coal in their stockings this year?
I like coal. That's the whole symbolism here.
You have to because that's all you do.
Coal's down 25%. BTU is an $8 stock. Again, as part of the energy sector, I think risk reward puts it on.
I get the play on words.
How much further can it go down? Oh, so you're
looking
for a Santa Claus rally. You have a choice: coal or Santa Claus rally.
I'm looking for a Santa Claus rally or coal.
No, you can't say neither. You can't say none.
No, we're going to go into the next year. I was going to answer the question literally. We're going into the next year with a lot of volatility. Oil will still be in the forefront. 2/3 to a half of all the S&P 500 stocks have some sort of energy sector in them, revenue part of them. So it's going to be affecting everything we do for the next 3 to 6 months.
In a good way.
No, it could be a bad way. It's going to be very volatile.
Only 8% of the S&P is made up of energy now.
Yeah,
it used to be 14%.
But
so 92% of
But we
the
use
stocks,
energy in a lot of things we make, Alan.
Right, but it's lower energy prices. 92% are going to benefit.
Yeah, but the prices are going down, so it's a deflation killer. It's a bond killer. It's deflationary. Watch what happens.
Happy holidays.
We're not raising rates next
Happy
year,
holidays.
and we're going to have QE in 2016.
On to your bonus round question. 9 stocks have doubled or tripled this year in value. Name one: Amazon, Marriott, or Under Armour.
It was Under Armour last year. I'm going to say Marriott.
Yeah, it's not Amazon. Marriott.
Marriott and Under Armour.
Oh.
Cha-ching.
Trick questions.
Well,
Enough of the trick questions.
You did fine. You named one. I said name one, and you did. Thanks for coming on the show,
Thanks.
guys. First Business continues right after this.